Hello student of class 12, this is the continuation part of the 3D plane chapter. Here the question is, find the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular distance of the point, foot of the perpendicular distance of the point 3 to 1 of the point P. Find also the from the plane x 2x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Find also the image of the point in the plane. Find the coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular distance of the point P3 to 1 from the plane 2x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. Find also the image of the point of the plane. This is the picture. This is plane. This point is P 3 to 1 and this is the plane, this is P, this is P dash, this is O, or this is S and this is O. Okay. This is plane, given plane, and this is equal to this. Okay. This is 2x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. We have to find the point S, coordinate of point S, coordinate of point O and the distance PO. Okay. Let the coordinates of OB alpha, beta, gamma and point O is the image of the point P, S is the midpoint of PO and S lies on the plane, on the given plane, and PS is perpendicular to the plane. I have written, let the coordinates of O be alpha, beta, gamma. O is the image of P, of the point P. S is the midpoint of OP. S lies on the plane and PS is perpendicular to the plane. With this basic concept, I will get the required portion. The equation of the line passing through P, that means 3 to 1 is x minus 3, y minus 2 and z minus 1, and dr of PS is 2 minus 1 and 1, 2 minus 1 and 1, because PS is perpendicular, PS line is perpendicular, this is PS 3, 2, 1. PS is perpendicular to the plane, that means dr of the plane equal to dr of this line. So I will get the equation of the line is this, and the general point on this equation is general point on this equation is, if I put this equal to mu say, so x equal to 2 lambda plus 3, y equal to minus mu plus 2, z equal to mu plus 1. This is the general coordinate of any point on this line, and I say this is the coordinate of S. Okay. This is the coordinate of S, and this point lies on the plane. That means equation of the plane is 2x minus y plus z plus 1 equal to 0. So this point satisfy this plane. 2 into 2 mu plus 3 minus mu plus 2 plus z mu plus 1, this plus 1, this equal to 0. So 4 mu plus 6 minus 2 plus 1, this equal to 0. So 6 mu plus 6, this equal to 0, I will get mu equal to minus 1. Okay. So the coordinates of S, this is the coordinates of S. So from here I will get mu equal to minus 1. So x equal to minus 1, mu equal to minus 1, minus 2 plus 3, minus 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 0. This is the coordinate of S, minus 1, 3, 0. This is the coordinate of S. Coordinate of S is, x equal to 1, y equal to 3, z equal to 0, 1, 3, 0. And from the given we have 3 plus lambda by 2, this is equal to 1, 2 plus beta by 2, this is equal to 3, and 1 plus gamma by 2 equal to 0, because S is the midpoint of O and P. So alpha equal to minus 1, beta equal to 4, gamma equal to minus 1. Alpha minus 1, 4, minus 1. So from here I can write it. So the coordinates of the foot of the perpendicular, that means coordinates of S 1, 3, 0, and that of the image, and that of the image point, that is O, are minus 1, 4, minus 1, and the distance P point is 3, 2, 1, and the distance of PS equal to root over 3 minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 3 whole square plus 1 minus 0 whole square units. this is equal to 4 plus 1 plus 1, that is root 6 units. Okay. In this way I will get the required answers. Coordinate of the point, coordinate of the foot of the perpendicular, that and coordinate of the image point O, and the distance PS. Okay, I am ending here.